Hello everybody. Quick little tutorial today. People liked the other swatch I did and they wanted to see it in like more pinks and purples instead of the primary colors. So let's try to do this. So I get everything set up except for getting the inks all out, the paints. So these are just gel paints. Doesn't take much to do one nail. So I like to put just a little dot on my palette. Some of them come out easier than others, obviously. You can use a craft brush from Michaels, an acrylic brush, anything you can find. But I've noticed it's been working really well with a dotting tool. So you would take your nail, and you prep it obviously, and then choose your base coat. For swatching purposes, I'm using a top coat. You put it on pretty thick. That looks about right. And then you take your dyeing tool or your brush, whichever you prefer to use, and just go in where you'd like to put color. You can do lines, stripes, swirls, whatever you want. I like to wipe the excess off between colors. This purple's not coming out as well as I'd hoped. Might have to get more out. Yeah, we definitely need darker purple in there.
Person detected at porch cam.
You basically just keep applying color until you get the design that you're going for. There we go.
Person detected at porch cam.
And do this with any colors that you choose. Add some more light pink glitters. That looks about right. And then you stick it in your lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, dogs are done barking and it is cured. I went ahead and put one top coat on top so you can see what it looks like. Maybe this will be better. That came out very pretty, and it's very quick and very easy. Can you imagine that on every nail? So the one previous we did was this, so you get an idea of the color difference. And I'm going to be doing a video shortly on how to do this with dip powder. So subscribe and stay tuned for that one as well. Have a good day. Bye.